Hello, friends, welcome back to Story Time. Today, the story is about Star Wars The Force Awakens by David Fentiman. The First Order. Many years ago, the Evil Empire ruled the galaxy. The empire was harsh and cruel, and the people of the galaxy wanted to be free. A brave rebellion began. After many hard battles, the rebels freed the galaxy. The rebels didn't know that some members of the empire had escaped. These Imperials traveled to the far side of the galaxy and named themselves the First Order. Ever since then, the First Order has been planning its revenge. First Order Commanders. Supreme Leader Snoke is in charge of the First Order. Snoke is very mysterious and keeps himself hidden. He relies on three commanders who controls the First Order for him. Kylo Ren is the greatest warrior in the First Order. He uses a lightsaber to defeat his enemies. General Hux is very smart. He is in charge of the First Order's army. Hux is building the First Order's new secret weapon, the Star Killer. Captain Phasma leads the First Order's soldiers known as Stormtroopers. She is brave in battle but cruel. The Resistance. Princess Leia was one of the rebels who defeated the Empire. She never believed that the Empire was gone forever. Leia created a group called the Resistance who would watch for signs that evil had returned. Many brave pilots and soldiers have joined the Resistance. They want to protect the galaxy. The Resistance has built a secret base where its members spy on the First Order. Leia wants to know what the First Order is planning to do. The Village. Poe Dameron is Leia's best pilot. Leia gives Poe a top secret mission. He must fly to the planet Jakku and meet an adventurer named Lor San Tekka. Lor has secret information that can help the Resistance. Poe lands on Jakku with his royal droid BB-8. Jakku is a hot, dry desert. It is not a place where most people would want to live. Lor San Tekka lives in a village in the wilderness. Poe finds him and Lor gives Poe a special object. The object has the information hidden inside it. Invasion. The First Order has attacked Jakku. Stormtroopers have come to the village looking for Lor San Tekka and his secret object. The villagers try to fight, but there are too many stormtroopers. They have to surrender. Poe gives the object to BB-8. The little droid manages to get away, but Poe has captured. Oh no! Finn escapes. FN 2187 is a stormtrooper. He realizes that the First Order is evil and he doesn't want to be part of it anymore. He wants to run away. FN 2187 rescues Poe and they escape together. Poe thinks that FN 2187 is a silly name, so he renames his new friend Finn. That's much better. Poe and Finn steal a TIE fighter and try to fly away, but their ship gets shot down and crashes on Jakku. Finn parachutes to safety, but when he lands, he finds that Poe has vanished. Ray. Jakku was once a battlefield in the war against the Empire. There are wrecked starships scattered across the planet. Many scavengers have come to Jakku to take what they can from the wreckage. This girl is one of those scavengers. Her name is Ray. She has lived alone on Jakku for many years. Ray was left on the planet as a child and she doesn't remember her family. Ray in the junkyard. Ray is very good at scavenging. She always finds valuable bits of technology. She takes them to Nema Outpost, which is the biggest town on Jakku. At Nema Outpost, Ray trades what she finds for food, but it is never enough and she is always hungry. Ray is a genius with machinery. She has built herself a speeder out of spare pieces of junk. Rescuing BB 8. Ray is relaxing and eating some food when she hears frightened beeping. It's BB 8. He is being kidnapped by another scavenger. Even though Ray doesn't know BB 8, she leaps into action and rescues him. Good job, Ray. BB 8 wants to stay with Ray, but Ray offers to take him to Nema Outpost instead. Ankar Plat. Ray's boss is a mean junk dealer named Ankar Plat. Ankar controls all of the food in Nema Outpost. If the scavengers that work for Ankar can't find anything to trade, then they go hungry. When Ray arrives at Nema, Ankar tries to buy BB 8 from her. Ray says no, and Ankar sends his gang of thugs after them. Luckily, Ray knows how to defend herself. Nema Outpost. After his TIE fighter crashes, Finn has to walk through the hot Jakku desert. Eventually, he reaches Nema Outpost. Ray and BB 8 have defeated Ankar's thugs, but First Order stormtroopers are coming after them. Ray and BB 8 run into Finn as they try to get away. They decide to join forces and escape together. They need a ship to escape on. Ray finds a rusty old freighter underneath a tarp. It is called the Millennium Falcon. Battle above Jakku. Ray, Finn and BB 8 take off in the Millennium Falcon, but First Order ships chase after them. Ray is a great pilot. She manages to outfly the First Order pilots. Finn gets into the gunner position and tries to destroy the enemy ships. Together, they escape from Jakku, but then the Millennium Falcon breaks down. Han and Chewbacca. Han and his co-pilot Chewbacca are smugglers. Han used to own the Millennium Falcon. The two smugglers are traveling in a huge star freighter. They come across their old ship broken down in space. They are very happy to have the Millennium Falcon back. Han and Chewie are very famous. They help the rebels win their war against the Empire. Ray and Finn are shocked when they realized who Han and Chewie are. Gangsters. Han and Chewie have made a lot of enemies over the years. One of these enemies is a gang of pirates known as the Kanji Club. The Kanji Club is a scruffy group of thieves and bandits. They are led by a fierce warrior named Tasso Leech. The Kanji Club attacked Han and Chewie's freighter, but Han, Chewie, Rey, Finn, and BB-8 all escape in the Millennium Falcon. Rey is captured. The band of brave heroes travel to visit an old friend of Han and Chewie's. Her name is Maz. She is one of the most famous smugglers in the galaxy. Unfortunately, the First Order has tracked the heroes to Maz's castle. An army of stormtroopers lands to try to capture them. There is a big battle, but Poe and the Resistance arrive and save the day. The stormtroopers retreat, but they capture Rey and take her away. The Resistance base. Han, Chewie, Finn, and BB-8 travel to the Resistance secret base. They have learned that the First Order has built a giant weapon named the Starkiller on an icy planet. This is where Rey is being held prisoner. At their base, the Resistance puts together a plan to rescue Rey and destroy the Starkiller. Han, Chewie, and Finn will sneak into the First Order base while Poe and his brave Resistance pilots attack from above. The Starkiller. Han, Finn, and Chewie land on the Starkiller base in the Millennium Falcon. At the same time, Rey escapes from her prison cell. They all find each other inside the base. They find out that there is a problem. The Resistance X-Wings can't shoot through the Starkiller's thick armor. What are they going to do? Battle in the base. The stormtroopers protecting the Starkiller wear special armor to keep themselves warm. They are called snow troopers. The door into the Starkiller is locked and guarded. Finn and Rey need to find a way to open it, while Han and Chewie defeat the troopers guarding the door. Rey finds the box that controls it. Rey is able to open the door, and Han and Chewie rush inside. They place their explosives and then Chewie sets them off. Poe into action. In the sky above the Starkiller, a big battle is raging. The X-Wings of the Resistance are battling the TIE fighters of the First Order. When Chewie sets off his explosives, it makes a hole in the Starkiller's armor. Poe sees his chance. He fires into the hole and soon the Starkiller is badly damaged. It starts to tear itself apart. Kylo's revenge. Kylo Ren is very angry. He storms out into the snow looking for Finn and Rey. Kylo doesn't know that Finn and Rey are stronger than he thinks. Finn and Rey battle Kylo Ren. It looks like Kylo is going to win, but then something amazing happens. He is defeated. General Hux uses a shuttle to rescue Kylo, while Finn and Rey are picked up by Chewie in the Millennium Falcon. The Starkiller blows up as they fly to safety. The Starkiller has been destroyed. The Resistance has won the battle, but the war is only beginning. The end.